Hello, my dear children. A very good morning to all of you. This is Harsha here, your English teacher. So, as in previous videos, we have completed three types of noun: common nouns, proper nouns, and collective nouns. So, in today's session, you will get to know that what are material nouns. So, let's see the definition. Material noun is a naming word or a noun for a material rather than a thing. What that means? What do you mean by material? Material is a kind of thing. From material we can make many of things. हाँ, एक मटेरियल से हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें बना सकते हैं. लाइक सी द एग्जाम्पल्स हेयर. दिस इज़ अ टी शर्ट, cotton t-shirt. T-shirt is made up of cotton. Second is wooden chair. So chair is made up of wood. यानी ये चेयर लकड़ी से बनी हुई है. Third is steel chair. This chair is made up of steel. So these three words are what? Material nouns. So I will explain you in the next slide. See, first example is t-shirt. This is a t-shirt. And this is made up of what? ये टी शर्ट किससे बनी हुई है? इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ कॉटन. ये टी शर्ट कॉटन की है. सो कॉटन इज़ व्हाट? कॉटन इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ मटीरियल. फ्रॉम दैट मटीरियल दिस टी शर्ट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ. इस जो टी शर्ट है ये किस मटीरियल से बनी है? फ्रॉम कॉटन. सो cotton is a kind of material noun. From cotton we can make many of things. So this cotton word is a material noun. Next is chair. This chair you have seen in the last slide now. So this is a chair and chair is made up of which material? Wood. ये chair wood से बनी है. So wood is what? Wood is a kind of material noun. Wood is a material because from wood we can make many of things. इस wood से हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें बना सकते हैं. Like this table you are seeing, this chair and this desk also. So from wood we can make many of things. So this wood is a material noun. Yes, it is made up of wood. So it can be used to make many of things, like these. So wood is a material noun. Now see this chair. This is another chair. Now tell me which material is it? Which material? From which material this chair is made up of? It is made up of steel. So this is a steel chair. So steel is what? Steel is a material noun because steel is used to make many types of things. Like these all. These are utensils now. So these utensils are made up of steel. So steel is a material. So we will call steel as a material noun. Now see, one most important thing. Material nouns are uncountable. All the material nouns are uncountable. Uncountable means हम उस material noun को हम count नहीं कर सकते. We can't count them. So like this, wood is uncountable. Second is cotton. Cotton is also uncountable. हम cotton को count नहीं कर सकते. Third is copper. Copper is a kind of material. From copper we make many of things. So these all are uncountable. So always material nouns are those which we cannot count. Now see these material nouns: cloth, wood, steel, copper, silver, diamond, lead. Lead is जो पेंसिल में निब होती है ना, that is lead. So these all are material nouns. This also paper, cement. Can we count cement? No. From cement we can make many of things, like our house is made up of cement. Many of things can be made up of cement. So these all are material nouns. Now see some examples through sentences also. Now read this sentence. Cotton dresses are very comfortable to be worn in summer season. What is the meaning of the sentences? जो कॉटन ड्रेसेस होती हैं वो गर्मी के मौसम में यानी समर सीज़न में पहनने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छी होती, कंफर्टेबल होती हैं, हमें उसमें ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं लगती. सो विच ड्रेसेस? कॉटन ड्रेसेस. विच? कॉटन ड्रेसेस. सो कॉटन इंडिकेट्स टू ड्रेसेस. कॉटन हमें किसकी क्वालिटी बता रहा है? ड्रेसेस की. सो ड्रेसेस कैसी हैं? इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ कॉटन. सो कॉटन इज़ अ मटीरियल नाउन. यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ना? जो ड्रेस है वो किससे बनी हुई है? कॉटन से. सो कॉटन से तो बहुत सारी कपड़े बन सकते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें बन सकती हैं. सो कॉटन इज़ अ मटीरियल नाउन. नेक्स्ट, माई डैड ऑलवेज वेयर्स अ गोल्ड चेन. मेरे पापा हमेशा गोल्ड की चेन पहनते हैं, सोने की चेन. सो गोल्ड इज़ वॉट? गोल्ड इज़ हेयर मटीरियल नाउन बिकॉज गोल्ड इंडिकेट्स टूवर्ड्स चेन, क्योंकि चेन किससे बनी हुई है? गोल्ड से. सो दिस इज़ अ गोल्ड चेन एंड गोल्ड इज़ वॉट? अ काइंड ऑफ मटीरियल. सो फ्रॉम गोल्ड वी can make many of things like gold chain, like gold ring, gold necklace, many of things. Now, so gold is what? Material. So in this sentence, gold is a material noun. Now third is, these bowls are made up of plastic. Now you all know na what I want to explain you. What is bowls are made up of which material? Plastic. So plastic is a material noun. Now these sentence, cooking utensils are mostly made up of iron or steel. जो कुकिंग यूटेंसिल्स होते हैं, जिन बर्तन में हम खाना बनाते हैं, वो मोस्टली आयरन और स्टील के बने होते हैं, है ना. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस टू मटीरियल नाउन्स आर हियर, आयरन एंड स्टील. क्यों? बिकॉज कुकिंग यूटेंसिल्स आर मेड अप ऑफ समटाइम्स आयरन ऑल्सो एंड समटाइम्स स्टील ऑल्सो. सो these two materials are used to make cooking utensils. So iron is also a material noun and steel is also a material noun. Now from previous video we have completed common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, material nouns. Today we have completed. So in the next video I will explain you about abstract nouns. And I hope you all have seen this video material noun and understood properly. So now in the next clip I will give you some exercise related to material noun. Okay, bye bye.